Hello and welcome. I am Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today another grocery discovery. Yes, I hope you have found your favorite farmer's market that you can shop, but if you're in Richmond, Virginia, come check out Tom Leonard's. They just are an amazing family to buy groceries from. Now, today it's about a fruit. It's about a fruit that's very common, yet I want to teach you some inside scoop into this fruit, and we're going to take it back to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you the quickest dessert you can put on the table, whether it's for the holidays, for a special birthday, or just an, hey, family, I love you, I want to serve you this dessert. It's so simple. It's like, why haven't we been doing this all along? So join me inside as we go check out this fruit, learn the health benefits. Most of it you already know, but I'm just going to reiterate it so you can say, yeah, you're right, we haven't had those in a long time. So let's go buy them this week. Before we go, be sure and hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you and I can stay connected here on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and hit like the page, and then be sure and share this from Facebook or YouTube or Rumble with all of your friends. The more you share it, if each one would just share it 3 times, the more we can spread the message that I get to share with you, and that's God's recipe for excellent health, which includes getting healthy with your food, healthy with being confident in your health, being confident with your food, and most importantly, confident in understanding how much God loves you. God loves you so much. He is a one true God. There is no other God. And yet He sent His Son to die on the cross just for you, just for you. Your name was written on His heart when He did that, and He loves you with an everlasting love. Let's go inside. While we look at these oranges, I just want to start with the top 3 reasons why you need to consider oranges in your diet. First of all, if you have any issues with iron absorption or any dealings with anemia, or you're just tired and you're not sure why, we need vitamin C for iron to be absorbed. So this is very important, whether you're a child and you're anemic, or you're pregnant and you're anemic, or you're just an older adult and you're just extra tired, check your iron level, and then you need vitamin C for iron to get absorbed into your body. Second of all, vitamin C, such as these grapefruits and oranges and mandarins and clementines that you're seeing here on this beautiful display, it's going to help your body with collagen. We need collagen to heal wounds and to protect our immune system. And that's the other thing. We know vitamin C comes in these oranges and grapefruits, and vitamin C is so important for our immune system. Now, 3 more reasons we need to add these into our diet is what we have in these foods. We have the different nutrients that actually helps to prevent cancer from free radicals. Now, I teach about free radicals in our Treasures of Healthy Living Bible study, the video series specifically. So if you haven't watched that or bought that video series, you might want to check that out. Churches use that to teach this Bible study, all throughout the world. It's just very popular. So vitamin C gives us the ability to inhibit free radicals, and free radicals is what contributes to cancer. So besides that, we also have macular degeneration. The oranges, the vitamin C, the different other vitamins, the potassium, the vitamin A, all of these fruits here, all of this citrus fruit here is going to help prevent either the initiating of macular degeneration or the acceleration of macular degeneration. So if you already have it, then let's slow it down. If you don't have it, then let's protect against it. So vitamin C, all of these fruits that you see here, such a gorgeous display, is going to help prevent or inhibit the furthering of macular degeneration. So I bet you're ready to get some of these in your diet today. Now, many of us take vitamins, vitamin C, and there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I do as well. Yet what I want you to understand is inside this orange is what's called bioflavonoids. So if you get a vitamin C supplement and it doesn't have the word bioflavonoids on it, you're not getting everything that God put in this orange to benefit you. And we have cofactors, we have phytonutrients. In fact, everything in this orange has not quite yet been identified in how it has a synergistic effect in your body. So remember, when you're eating the orange, you get everything that God put in it. When we take a vitamin supplement, we're trusting that company to give us what we need. So make sure you buy your supplements from a company that you believe has your best interest in heart. And typically that's going to be an online company, or I have a couple good companies that I like to recommend, but always check the company, because you want everything that God put in this orange to be in your vitamin C supplement. But never let a supplement, remember the word is supplement, which means it's to be in addition to a healthy diet. Supplements never replace and can never replace a healthy diet. So look at the foods that God created. They have a natural package right there. You can even zest this peeling. You can add that to your teas and just to your salads, and such incredible vitamins here even on the peeling. Don't forget to wash this really well. Even if you buy organic, always wash your produce. You don't know who's been touching this produce. Maybe I've been touching your produce, I don't know. But you want to wash it and then enjoy it, and wash your hands really well too. Now, let's go to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you the simplest dessert ever. Why haven't we been making this all this time? I hope you enjoy it too. We're going to make orange dreamsicles. Those were so delicious when I was growing up. I loved getting them, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do today. I'm going to take about 3 or 4 clementines. They just peel so easily. We're going to throw them into our blender. I'm making enough for my husband and I. And then we're going to add a banana, preferably a frozen banana, but I didn't have any frozen, so I'm going to go ahead and just use a fresh banana. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of ice. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of yogurt. And this is what gives us that creamy goodness. A quick blending it up. Now today's drink is going to be a little bit more of a slush drink, but if I would have done 2 frozen bananas, I would have had perfect ice cream for dessert. There we go, our own personal dreamsicle. Some great add-ins to this drink could be a number of different things. Definitely coconut, cinnamon, vanilla. I don't think so. You'd mess up the orange flavoring. And yet we could add in some pecans or some walnuts. We could also add in some cashews if you like that. I don't think I'm going to be putting nuts in mine because this is not my nut drink, but it definitely would add a pizzazz of flavor. But here's the real kicker. Add in just a small knob of ginger and let that blend up really well, and you will give it a kick, and your immune system will love you for it. Lots of different ways we can serve this. I'm going to make sure I have lots of frozen bananas so I can turn it into a quick orange ice cream. And I know my family is going to love it. And I could even have a few chocolate chips to put on top. The mini chocolate chips, those would be so good and make it look kind of cute. I could top it off with just a little bit of coconut. So good. Can't wait to share that with my family. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you make this as well for yourself, whether as a liquid or as an ice cream. I can't wait to read your comments. And until next time, keep sharing God's recipe for excellent health with everyone you come in contact with. Because remember, the first ingredient is God loves you. He's loved you from the moment of conception. He loves you with an everlasting love, and there is only one true God. Thanks for watching.